Good day to all employers. My name is Venus Babor Olapi. I'm 40 years old. I was born on December 31, 1984 at Hagunoy, Davao del Sur. I am the fourth among my siblings. I am single and single mom of two. I have 2 years experience as a domestic helper in Kuwait from January 1, 2019 until May 7, 2021. I also doing my course like cleaning, doing laundry, ironing, and taking care of 3-month-old baby, 9-year-old toddler, 7-year-old young kid, 25 and 31-year-old adult, 69 and 71-year-old elderly. In my second employer, I start on December 10, 2022 until July 3, 2024. I also doing my household chores like cleaning, ironing, doing laundry, and taking care of newborn baby, also her parents. I am hardworking, dedicated, and willing to learn the task given. If you will hire me, I will do my best to do my duties, and I promise to finish my contract and to work with you as long as you need me. I hope you choose me as your helper. Thank you and God bless.